Hi friends, in the previous video we have seen the for loop structure and how it will be executed. Now we will see another looping structure, while loop. So here I am having some variable, something like where I is equal to 4, something like that. While I is less than 5, okay, I will console.log I and I will make the I++. Let's see the output what it will be. Now if I try to run the execute, so it printed only 4. What is happening here is, so first it is initialize the variable with I and it is going to check the condition why I 4 is less than 5. Yeah, it is true, and it will print the I value as 4 and it will increment I to 5. Again it will go top and it will check whether the condition is true or not. Now the condition is not true. 5 is not less than 5. 5 is equal to 5. So it will not print and it will go out of the loop. So this is the while loop in the Javascript. So now you can think that what is the difference between the while and for loop. Both are same only, but in the while loop what we can do is we can use our own condition. Something like, for example, we have another thing, something like condition. So this condition is true, for example, think, and I have another condition, something like I is equal to 3. I have another variable I is equal to 3. Now what I will try to do is, if while condition, okay, while condition, print the I and do the I++. So now if here you can check I is equal to 5, okay, break this condition, you will be writing break this while loop. So if I is equal to 5, break this one. Now we will try to execute this code. Now what we got, the output is 3 4. What is happening here is, now we check the condition as true. Yeah, condition is so we have one condition, something like that, it is true. Now it will check whether I is equal to 5 or not. It is not equal to 5, it is 3. Now what it will do is, it will print the I and it will increment I++, and it will go again. The condition will always be true. It will go into the while loop. So when it becomes 5, then it will check the break condition and it will come out of the while loop. So here if you want write any custom conditions or anything outside the conditions, you can write your own conditions. So this way we can use the while loop. For example, if I have condition is equal to false, but what I need to get execute is only one time I need to, now only one time I need to execute this one. So for example, I need to execute one time logic, okay. If the condition matches, again execute. So now if I do, nothing is printed. Why? Because the condition is false, but I need to get executed at least once this logic. If the condition is matching or anything, so execute another time while the condition becomes false. If you want to write those type of conditions, what we can do is we can use the do while structure. So do whatever the things you want to do, you can do these all things, okay. First time you do, and while condition, you can write the condition. So you need to keep the semicolon before the while in the do while. So now if I execute this one time executed the logic and again it checked the, so it first executed that logic and again it checked the condition is false, it went out of the loop. So do while and while you will check the condition first and it will execute the logic inside this one. But do while, what it will do is, first it will execute the logic and again afterwards it will check the condition. So this is the main difference between the while and do while. So these are the looping structures in the Javascript. If you like this video, please subscribe to my channel. Thank you.